Jamie, if you have a look at that now, just have a look at it, mate. I've just backed them nuts off and just done it up tight, like tight.
The other side. Well, they're not big bubbles, but little bubbles coming out now.
Okay, that's good. So I reckon if you just back them off, mate,
yeah,
they feel tight, and they just tight. Gotcha. And if you strip the head, I'll have done it anyway, so I know. They're done in. And everything down.
I've actually combed that.
So mate,
I've actually combed it.
have you got water?
Yeah, put water
Just
in.
go clean water.
Sure.
Yeah.
using a thermal camera here just to make sure all the wires are happy and nothing's getting overly hot like before.
Battery gone flat.
Yeah.
It's only been sitting for 20 minutes. So we forgot to film that we need to change the wastegate spring. We made 396 horsepower, 350 odd foot-pound of torque on a 1-bar spring, but about 85–90% duty cycle. So we've had this off a minute ago, swapped the spring out, so we've now got 1.7 bar in there, which should be a nice little base for us.
I think maybe the main fuse has gone.
So what, we lost the alternator?
Yeah.
Fuse is alright though.
Yeah. The alternators on these are known to be temperamental. I never changed it because, yeah, there's nothing coming back from the alternator.
Okay.
Nothing.
That was still on it. Don't know, mate.
We don't know.
We don't know.
That's
Okay.
And it was actually dropping. Right.
Yeah. Okay, well, we're not going to stop play, so that's good.
No. But I just checked the fuse, it's fine.
Yeah.
But when I actually checked the voltage of the alternator supplied to the battery,
Yeah. What's up?
I'm really hot. I was really sweaty.
Nothing. Now tell me what you think.
Oh, yeah, I had a good time. That's good.
Oh, I had a really good time.
No, it's very productive, isn't it? A few teething issues, but I think actually what I like about those boys the most is the fact that we get a fucking problem, we just solve it.
Hmm.
Don't work around it, just down the tools, figure it out. They know everything about everything, so yeah, no, I'm impressed with them. It's a good time.
No, we've had a decent day.
We've had a decent day.
Done what, 395?
Yep, 395 at the wheels.
395 and 350 odd foot-pounds at the wheels.
Yep. And I forget what boost that was at. 1.7 bar, I think.
Yeah.
Because we had a bar in the gate and we went up to about 75% duty on the map.
I think we went a bit higher on duty, but it obviously
Was
had a
it?
bit of blow-by as well. So
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
about 1.7, I think you said.
Yeah, decent. Yeah, just told me the RS is left behind.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, very productive. The numbers are looking good. Air under the curve's looking good.
Yeah.
And those boys are definitely in the right
They know their
hands.
stuff.
I don't know what's that.
Jerry can, don't worry about it. Yeah, so we've swapped out, well not swapped out, we've added a 7 psi spring, so about 1.5 bar on springs now, which we get to test out tomorrow.
Yes, yeah. So instead of just working it all out at a bar on the gate, we're now 1.5. And obviously we get the headroom about 85% more from the Mac valve. So we should be rocking it and rolling.
Yeah, we should get up above 2 bar hopefully.
Yeah.
See where we're at.
But she's behaving so far.
She's behaving-ish.
Yeah.
The alternators let go.
Oh, the alternator stopped. I don't know why that is. I have a feeling it's the wire connection.
Do you reckon?
Battery. Yeah, I think it is. I looked at it, it looked a little bit.
On the battery?
Yeah.
Oh, so we might be able to sort that out tomorrow.
Yeah, I can't be bothered.
Oh,
We just do the jumper pack on the batteries,
Yeah.
it's fine.
yeah.
I
So
can waste time of that on the garage on the drive at home.
So we've stuck the LiPo on charge, we've got 2 big batteries on charge there, so we've got enough surplus power to survive the day.
But yeah, I think the boys were happy with the build as well. They're comfortable with, you know, what it's doing.
Yeah.
And it did seem to make power quite nicely.
Yeah.
But of course tomorrow we're going to be stuffing more boost in it.
A little bit more.
We've got a decent amount of injector left, so that's good.
Yeah, do you know where we got to injector?
No, I don't. But Keith didn't say we were close. So
No.
I think we're good. I think we're in a good place.
Cool.
So tomorrow could be
An interesting day.
If
It will be interesting one way or another.
if we leave tomorrow feeling the same, it's been a bloody good day. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, if we can basically have another successful day like today, everything behaves, the engine is doing what it should be doing, the numbers are looking good. You know, because each time we was adding like 10% duty, we was getting what, like 30 horsepower more.
Yeah.
So it's like.
Oh, and that was the other thing
each
Keith was saying as well. He's only added 1 degree of timing so far, and it loved it.
Yeah,
so
that's right. So we've got timing to do as
We've
well.
got a couple of degrees of timing to play with.
Plus, I've got the cam timing. So at the moment, the power starts at it sort of comes in about 5k in it.
Oh, it's about 4.5.
4.5, 5, and it's rising. So if I
Or was it? No, because it's about 4.2 that the boost was starting to overpower the external gate.
that's right, yeah.
So it was,
So we
it was
started putting
well on its way in.
Started putting some
That's where we put the Mac in.
yeah,
The Mac
some
valve.
base duty there. So I think actually I could probably put 1 or 2 degrees on the inlet cam, and that'll put it along. So we've still
We
got
might
that
not
to
need
do as
to.
well. Well, no, exactly.
Like,
We'll
if I'm
see.
honest, if it's building like it looks like it's building at 4,000,
Yeah.
like it's not shy underneath 4.
No. And air under the curve is right across to 7.2.
Yeah.
So it's like it gets up and then she's
No,
loving
it's
it.
looking really good.
Yeah, I'm really happy.
And it didn't rain on the car on the way here for a change.
Bloody hell. That's probably a first time ever.
Maybe that's how we know for the future. If it rains on the car on the way there, it's
Right
going to
the
be
day
bad
off.
dyno.
Right the day
Just
off.
cancel it on the way there.
Right the day off, that's it. Done. And my fuel gauge works.
And fuel gauge works.
It's pretty cool.
I mean, it said you had fuel and you didn't run out, so that's working enough for me.
Yeah. I mean, the alternator thing's annoying me.
Yeah, we'll have to investigate that. It might be that.
That's a future me.
Do you say that those particular alternators on those cars do
They are known to fail.
not reliable?
Yeah, they're known to fail. I don't.
Is that
I have no
a new
proof.
one you put in or
No,
an original?
No, never ever replaced it.
Oh, there you go. So it's about 100 years old.
It's done at least 120k.
We've just wrung its neck. Alright, fair enough. Is what it is.
Yep.
Cool.